Yes, we have been at some Catalan friends in l'Espluga del Baba up from Tarragona. Now we are heading south because looky, we have got rain.
And they are very happy about the rain here because this place is
It's very dry.
yeah,
Yeah.
and having not so much rain, so they are at least a farmer producing a lot of olive oils here and the grapes actually for the big cava producer. Quite a lot are produced up here as well.
But now we are heading south, and yes, you are just going to turn that direction. And who are we? We are Malmstedt Mobile Living, and we are living a mobile life on our RV and on our sailing boat, so far at least. I'm Karina, and Patrik is driving now. It's a narrow road.
It's strange.
It's not strange, Patrik.
Yeah.
Try to trust the navigation. That's your biggest problem.
Yes.
And we have Sheila on the floor. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.
We decided to stand still. It was coming so much heavy rain and thunder.
We are standing still due to heavy rain and thunder. So we are taking a coffee break. That's also where you can do when it's raining. And we're going south to the sun.
We can hardly see out. It's so much rain, heavy rain.
Yeah. There was the lightning. And what about the sound? Yes, there it came. I think it's on its way over now. But we're enjoying some coffee and some leftover pizza that we got from our friend. It's a lot of cars. They have taken shelter here. Do you hear the sound? Wow! I've never been in such a rain. Never. Here you can see the cars. They're taking shelter. We'll see how long this lasts. I don't think we should drive yet. Look at this. It used to be a path outside here.
Where you could walk. Sheila and I walked there 10 minutes ago.
Now it's flood. And look here. Oh, it's crazy. We have decided where to go, and we will go to Javea. It's approximately 268 kilometers away. After rain comes the sun again. Shoo-hoo! Sunglasses on, driving into the sun. We're going to outside Denia. The sign it says Xabia Javea. I don't know how to pronounce it, but there is where we are going. We have passed Valencia. We found a place, a parking lot. We'll see how it will be, but there are other cars here and yeah.
On our way down to the beach, we will meet some friends, Hans and Elaine. And Karina will just put some comments to the video that she's launching actually right now.
Right now, 4 o'clock every afternoon on Saturday, new release comes. As you saw before, it has been raining cats and dogs today. But now it's a little bit colder perhaps, but no rain at least. So we are going down to the sea to see how it looks. Really a special coastline. And what is over there? We have to go there and see.
The guys knows how to anchor a boat.
Patrik, now you're happy that we're selling the boat, or?
I'm happy that we didn't, you could call it, park our boat on land in that way. Our sailing boat is still on land, not sold yet, but in better condition and place than this boat.
The busy street for tourists, maybe. We have arrived at the restaurant, and look, Sheila wants to jump down. Woo! I don't think so.
This is the restaurant. Our friends are inside, and Sheila should be welcome. So.
Yes, let's try it. We are at a very nice restaurant that Helene and Hans has booked. Say hi! And we will eat now. It's a lot of good food and it's a lot of high music as well. But we are happy. We have been out eating good and we are on our way back. What do we see here, Patrick?
Bicycle team. Pinarelli, Swiss bicycle team.
And you, as a bicycle guy, you are impressed.
Yeah, it looks like they have a lot of buses and cars for this.
We are heading back to our RV. We'll see if it still stands there. You never know when you get to new places if it's going to be a break-in or not. I hope not. Jag trampar i en bajskorv. Fan, jag ska filma. Now we are almost back. There it's standing. I will talk to a German guy here. He has been standing here for 2.5 months. There she is. There she is.
Very happy and friendly.
Yeah. So now, time to say goodbye. Talk to you tomorrow. Sleep tight. Bye bye.
Trying to catch his dinner.
We are now checking where to go next. We are leaving Javier, or how do you now pronounce it? And we're going south because tomorrow it will start heavy raining here.
So we're heading for Cartagena, and I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
Cartagena.
Yeah, and as you see on the mobile phone, there's plenty of places to stop. So let's try to when we're driving.
Yeah, but we have a couple of hours now.
200 kilometers from here. So I put on the sunglasses now because now it's nice weather. Yeah.
We changed our minds because looking at the weather, Cartagena is not far enough, so we are going now to Almeria. It's a couple of hours more. But we think it's worth it because we don't have any rain there. Oranges, oranges, oranges wherever we see. We found this video surveilled service area at the motorway. So now we're emptying grey water and black water. We have come down to the areas where they are growing vegetables under plastic. It's just field.
We ended up on a very special location. We were driving and driving. You see some cats up here. There's another one here. But anyway, we parked in a very strange place. There was all these greenhouse everywhere, and we tried to find a spot where we could park or find a camping, but was looking terrible. So we ended up here. Carina is in there preparing some dinner. A very small town up in the mountains. We will see tomorrow morning. Maybe we can buy some bread here. Dogs are barking. Cats are all over the place. Good morning, everyone. A little bit busy, was some traffic outside here. some unloading and unloading gas tanks. And we have a small cat family up here, the mother cat.
We are leaving Dahlia, where we'll be standing one night. It was just a regular parking spot. We have decided to go to Nerja, to the camping, to stay there for a couple of days. We have had a lot of nice meetings with old friends, and now we just felt that it's time to relax a couple of days. So Nerja camping, here we come. Here is a sea of plastic. This you can see from Google Maps, Google Earth, or whatever it is. You can see this huge area where they are growing vegetables, and it's only covered with plastic. We don't feel that this area is so nice, so that's why we are going down to Nerja and a little bit more south in Spain. Make a quick stop at Lidl because we are going to buy some food, and then we'll see, cross our fingers, that there is a place at the camping we haven't booked. Still hopeful and positive. We are being very naive and positive. We have contacted a couple of campings and they are booked. And we will see if we could find the pictures a little bit further on. But hey guys, a tip if you're going south here, please book.
So what's going on here, Karina?
We finally found somewhere we can stay, a little bit up from the beach. And I'm hungry, I have a headache. All these camping places are full and we are naive.
Sheila has her spot in the shadow here.
Good morning everybody. New days, new possibilities. We are standing in Torrox, not beside the sea, because it's overwhelmed and overswemmed, you could say, with RVs and motorhomes. And we are now trying to figure out where we are going. Patrick, you have made a try, but we received a negative email. It's full.
Inside it's full shit, but they offering a spot outside the fence on the parking lot, so we will anyway go there. It's close to the sea, so we want to see a little bit of the ocean.
Patrick wants to try his wing foil. Time for a walk in Alvadero.
We finally found a spot where we actually could park, and during the night was okay. And in the morning, 8 o'clock, he's starting with a digging machine next to us, but it is okay. Now we will go and take a couple of Ave Maria and then for a walk. Let Spain and the water be and the sun be with us.
I don't know if I dare to go here. This is a challenge. Oh, don't look down. Don't look up. Åh, det gungar i hela. Chilla. She doesn't want to go there. Woo! I don't know if I dare.
Come on, Dolly.
Nej, no. Nej.
It's...
No.
Come on, come on, Dolly. Come on, 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 come
Ush. We did it, but we also have to go back later. Down there is our camping. So, release her. We decided to leave this plastic area. Bad weather is also coming in, but we are leaving south of Spain. It's not our favorite.
Really not, and we have tried a couple of places now, but it becomes not the cozy place what we are looking for. It has too many gravel spots with small parking lots for the RV.
So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you want to see more.
Yes.
Please subscribe, give me a notification.
Because we're going north again in Spain.
Yes, crazy. See you, take care, until next time, bye bye.